Hello, hello. Say good morning to the guys. Where are we going, darling? To the beach, darling. Well, we're going to the beach. Say hi to the guys, huh? Hello. Darling, here. Where are we going? Truck. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Oh, Daddy gonna buy some water. And then Dada gonna pay the petrol. Yan, so, hello guys. Yan, nandito kami sa petrol. Kasi na, palagay si Mr. ng gasolina. Yeah, you okay, darling?
Okay.
You okay? Can you say hi to the guys? Say hi. Are you tired? Kasi ang aga pa guys, 8 pa. Hello guys. Is that candle in there? Are you showing your shades to the guys? You like it? You like your shades? You like it, huh? Put it back, put it back. On the other side, darling. Dada is here. Ano sila, Mr. guys? Oh, yan. Kasi walang park. Ubos yung parking doon sa itaas ng lighthouse. So, sa baba kami naka-park. Very nice. Sorry. Why are you scary? Huh? Why are you scary? Come on, mommy hold you. Mommy hold you. Don't be scared, Daddy. Takot daw siya, guys. Madam. Wait down. It's okay, Daddy. Kasi paakyat to guys. Medyo hihingal ka. Pero pagdating mo sa... Kasi, di ba naubusan kami ng parking lot dun sa taas. So, pumunta kami sa baba, guys. Kaso, medyo mahaba-habang lakaran. Tapos uphill pa. Kaya, medyo hinihingal tayo dito. Pero, pag aabot kayo doon sa lighthouse talaga, ang ganda. Right, darling? Ito si Kendall. We're gonna find a bird. Come on.
Daddy.
Daddy down.
Nemo.
Oh, Nemo.
The rainbow. I want it.
So, malapit na kami sa lighthouse. Ayan. And then doon, merong nagsasurfing. Beautiful. What you want, darling? Ah, she want to see Daddy. Daddy. Help. You wanna find Nemo there? Okay, find Nemo. Okay na. Go, Nemo. Where are you, Nemo? It's nice, baby. It's not so hot. It's a good weather. Ang ganda ng weather.
Go swimming? She wants to go swimming.
What you want, darling?
Swimming in the...
Swimming? And then you're gonna find Nemo.
Find Nemo.
Find Nemo.
Find Nemo and who's Nemo friend? Dory. Dory. Find Nemo and Dory. Okay? Okay.
But we're gonna go look.
Kami sa taas, guys. Yan yung lighthouse, guys. Yan. Ah, sobrang ganda. Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda. Such beautiful. So, Mr. Slowly walking.
It is. Let's go.
Oh, si Haning Araw. Lumabas, ang init na. Okay lang, naka-sunblock naman tayo. Yung lighthouse. Hey, bebe! Look! Hello! So, ito yung car park dito, guys. Ang liit lang. Parang 20 or 10 sasakyan lang. Tapos ito yung parang kantin nila or yung
croissants, on surfe et on prend un...
Cape Byron Lighthouse History. Yan. Okay. Sobrang ganda. Doon na si Mr. Wow. Good, darling. Come on, we're gonna go in there.
Nemo, please.
Nemo?
Nemo.
Nemo daw. Welcome to Byron Bay. Akyat kami, guys. Si Mr. pinapawisan na. Ayan. So, okay lang tong steps nila, guys. Hindi ka naman mahihirapan. Ayan. Okay. Look at Baba. It's a New South Wales government. So, itong Byron Bay, guys, New South Wales na siya, guys. So, kung galing kayo sa Brisbane, 2 hours from Brisbane. Yeah. Parang pwede kang pumasok sa loob, guys. Parang meron silang binibentang souvenir. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, yung pagkagawa. Para talaga yung mga very old na lighthouse na talaga. Yung mga pang-castle ba? Okay, Mr. Very nice. There's a big stone in there, baby. Okay lang to, guys. Hindi siya ano ba yun, malakas yung ulan. Ganito lang yung klima niya, cloudy. Yan, which is not really nice. Yan, a sea fish.
Fish. Little fish.
Yeah. Lighthouse.
Dinosaur. I see dinosaur. I make dinosaur.
Yes. So, it's a Cape Byron Museum pala to, guys. Yan, open. Nandun na si Mr. It's, since 1901. Ang tagal na. 1901. So, meron din silang parang tour dito, guys. Yan, kung gusto nyo mag-tour. Yan, guys. Oh, yun yung mga ginagamit nila sa unang panahon dito sa lighthouse. Yan. The lighthouse. Since 1901. Oh my God. Ito yung mga libro, yung mga laruan. Mayroon silang The Kids Life. Yan. Ito talaga yung mga history. Noong unang panahon pa ng Hapon. And then ito mayroon silang soup. Then they have soup. Ito yung ginagamit nilang soup. Mayroon silang parang yeah, the cooking, everything. Goats, darling. Gusto na kanyang maligo sa beach, guys. Kanina pa. Are you excited to go to the beach? You want to see the beach? Okay, we're gonna go to the beach. Okay, see the lighthouse in there? There is the lighthouse. See Baba Lighthouse? I'll see you soon. See you soon. Flying kisses with the lighthouse. Flying kisses, more flying kisses. More Baba Lighthouse.
Where do you want to go, Kendall?
Where you want to go? Where?
Beach?
Oh, you want to go to the beach? What are you going to do in there?
Build a castle?
Oh, you build a castle, guys. Kanina pa to siya, guys. Flying kisses with them, guys. I love you. Darling. Up na. Get your shades. Come on. You are my sunshine. What's that one? Stone. Tignan niyo siya. Come on na, let's go. Follow Dada. Dada is there, darling. Tingnan niyo. Kinukuha niya yung mga small na stone, tapos tinatapon. Come on, get now your shades.
Sophie.
Get your shades. Turn around. Jump. Come on.
Jump.
Jump. Jump. Oh, turn around. Oh. Guys, oh, tingnan niyo siya, guys. Wait. Watch where you're going. Watch where you're going. Come on, run with mommy. Run. Ang ganda ng beach, guys. Oh. What's in there, darling? Is there a fish? Is there a fish?
Over there.
Have a look. Call Nemo lang. Nemo!
Nemo, right? Nemo. No.
Wala, dolphins lang. Dolphins in there. Where?
Right.
Ah, yeah. That's pretty cool. Dolphin! Yun na si Mr. Pababa na kami, guys. Pabalik na. So, okay na to. Hindi na kami mapapagod. Dami. Hindi siya maraming tao, pero my God, ang ganda talaga. Kung gusto nyo mag-prenup kayo dito. Libre. Doon na siya, oh. Madam! Where are you going, madam? Madam! Hinahanap niya si Nemo, guys. Na Nemo lagi, oh. Ano siya? Nemo?
Nemo, please.
Oh, watch where you going. Candle is there, babe. Ang ganda. Babe, watch candle, babe. Watch candle. Yan, tingnan nyo, guys. Yan. Ito yung sa baba ng Byron Bay. Ang ganda. Marami. Yung mga may maliliit na tao. Yan, yun ang mga nagsasurf. Ang ganda. Nandito yung pataas. Oh, ganda. And then candle is there. Okay. Oh, baby, there's someone out your back. Sorry.
No worries.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Candle is walking. Good exercise, darling.
Nothing's so weird. I don't understand.
Yeah, that's why. Yan, parang may square, guys. Sabi ko, is that an overlooking? Parang hindi naman kasi, hindi siya safe. Walang parang ganito, guys ba? Sabi ni Mr. Yun sila, oh. Doon, mas madam. Tingnan nyo yung ginagawa niya. A flower daw. Tingnan nyo siya, guys. Oh, tingnan nyo yung ginagawa niya. Kasi may bata kanina na ginagawa ko. Pinutulak pa. Pero okay lang to, guys. Kasi parang may spring. Yan. So, parang nilalaro na naman yan. Pero pagod na ako, guys. Kakahawak sa kanya. Ang bigat ni madam. Wow, very strong boy. What you can say? Are you happy?